Hello, hello, hello. Hello, I am Christian Manuel from SIT, fourth year Block E. And what is a database and why is it important in managing and organizing data? A database is an organized collection of related data stored and accessed electronically. It allows users to store, manage, and retrieve information efficiently. Databases are important because they help organizations organize large amounts of data, reduce redundancy, maintain data integrity, and make data retrieval faster and more accurate for decision making. Two, what are the different types of database and how do they differ from each other? There are several types of database, each serving different purposes. And the first one is a relational database. Stores data in tables with rows and columns. And the second one is the NoSQL database. Stores unstructured or semi-structured data such as documents, key value pairs, or graphs. And the third one is the hierarchical database. The organized data in a tree-like structure with parent-child relationships. And the next is a network database. It uses a complex graph structure, allowing many-to-many relationships. And the last one is the object-oriented database. It stores data in the form of objects, like in programming. They differ mainly in data structure, scalability, and flexibility. Relational databases use structured tables, while NoSQL databases handle diverse data types. And the number three is how does a database management system or DBMS help in storing and retrieving data efficiently? DBMS or database management system serves as a software that manages the database. It enables users to store, access, and modify data queries without manually handling files. It ensures data security, accuracy, and consistency while optimizing storage space and query performance through indexing and normalization. The DBMS also manages concurrent access, ensuring multiple users can work with the same data safely and efficiently. And the number four is what are the key components of a database system and what roles do they play? And the first one is hardware. The hardware is physical devices where this data is stored and processed. And the software is the DBMS that controls data access and operations. The third one is data, the actual information stored in the database. And the number four is the users, people who interact with the system, just like the administrators and developers and the users. And the last one is the procedures. Procedures, rules, and instructions on how to design, use, and maintain the database. Each component works together to ensure the database system functions efficiently and securely. And the last one, or the number five, is the how. Is how are relational databases different from NoSQL databases and where are they commonly used? And relational databases store structured data in predefined tables linked by keys using SQL for queries. They are ideal for applications requiring complex queries, transactions, and strict consistency such as banking and inventory systems. NoSQL database, on the other hand, handle unstructured or semi-structured data using flexible models like documents or key value pairs. They are commonly used in big data, real-time analytics, and social media applications that need high scalability and flexibility. Yun lang po. Thank you po.